How to watch movies on Netflix from other countries. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, download any VPN application. Go to the Play Store. Now search for Turbo VPN. Now tap on install. After installing, tap on open. Now select the country from here. Now find America. Now select the country and tap on connect. So now you can watch movies on Netflix without any issues. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.